Hi, my name is Oleg, and today we are talking about how to get the first subscribers, how to get the first 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. As you can see on your desktops, it is my main YouTube channel, GarageBiz. Here is 158,000 subscribers on my channel, and something about 15 million views on this channel. I started this channel on 2015, and I know how to get the first views, first subscribers, and today we are talking about it. The first idea, how to get first views, where you can get the first subscribers. I recommend to start from search engines optimization. For example, you can educate. For example, you can use trends.google.com service, and you can print search words on this service, and you can see what people are searching. For example, how much YouTube pay for 1,000 views in India in rupees 2021? How to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in a week? There is what people are searching. You can get these search words, search line, and you can use it for titles on your videos. Also, I recommend to do a good description for your videos, and it is very simple and effective thing on your work in YouTube, on YouTube marketing. The second idea, what you should do for get first views and subscribers, you should shoot videos every week, something about 2 or 3 times. If you are shooting only 1 or 2 videos per month, it is not enough. I recommend to shoot videos every week, 2 or 3 times. For beginners. I shooting videos 5 or 6 videos per week, and you can see it. It is my YouTube analytics, and there is my YouTube revenue this month. Now it is not very big because there is no monetization in Russian today, but my revenue on last year was something about $35,000, and it is very good for my country. In 2021 it was very good results, and what I should show you, last 28 days I shooting video very regular. If you like this video, please subscribe, and see you next week. Good luck. Subscribe for channel, and thumbnail fuck, блять, сука. Так, сейчас все.